$2, how can it maybe a week?
Angel, how are you?
How are you? How are you? Good afternoon. I think I've been down for a minute. What's your wife? Mommy, how are you? Good job. Okay. Son.
Okay, baby, love you.
I love you. And I love you at this age. Love you. Love you. You were supposed to say it romantically. I love you. Not love ya. Uncle Zieli.
Love you.
No.
I love you too.
I will not. Don't listen to them.
Don't call the lady. I'm fine. This one already been divorced. Jesus.
Sammy.
Mommy not try. Mommy not try.
Too small.
That's my shirt. Okay guys, so Chineme came yesterday, okay? And he's leaving now. I'm gonna go spa for you.
Hey! I
don't give him food, he don't they go. So guys, Chineme is leaving, okay? Uncle also came today, Big Daddy came today, and Ada is here. You guys remember the other day, Ada was not able to meet with Big Daddy.
Okay.
Nabia, but now I asked them to come, so they are here. Anyway, Chineme bye bye because see ya. Bye. Bye bye. How are you?
How are you? What is your name?
I didn't know. Hey, baby.
Only we can greet daddy.
How are you?
What can I do for that?
See that dude?
I am working.
Hey, me and Big Daddy. You have something like this?
Well,
I don't know my best. I don't know my best. Can tell, but we don't waste time. So you can imagine. Nobody
should I go to hospital? So our birthday is still going on. Birthday pataka. Men are talking chinchin. Now I'm stout.
I am big from me.
You are big.
I am big to test.
See brother there. Brother easy.
The only one that doesn't change it, but I would think.
Today is the most awesome finishing move in WWE history.
Celebration continues.
Yeah. Enjoyment.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Imakazi. Imakazi, chalga imakazi kwa. Say hi. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You are welcome. Mommy. Baby? Mom. Oh, Mom. Mom. Why are you eating a Maggie? Sorry. Welcome. Mom. Hey, I'm going to miss you. Look at some missing. I'm gonna miss you. Hey, hug, Shando's in my hug. Now, how the two gilly I wait that for guy. Now, what you doing? Here. What you doing? Say bye-bye to daddy. Oh, Mimi. Garden. Oh. Yes, ma'am. What that you don't go
Hanga, what would you put it? I go to the Mian.
Oh, Chidiogo, I say. Chidiogo zone.
But I guess you can.
Oh, Chidiogo, Jiha, every time Chidiogo, I say. Oh, it's Chidiogo. Don't blame the anger. The anger says I try. Oh, it's just really kid. Oh, Chidiogo, costly. You see what can I wait?
Bye.
Birthday to you.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to David. David is 3 months old today.
Happy 3 months, baby.
Happy birthday. Many more years in health.
So thank you, mommy.
Oh, yes, madam.
Thank you, mommy. We have surprise for you.
Nah, when it comes somebody else, not gonna be came in.
We have 3 months today now. I mean, you don't know.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Pararam. Sounds like they say. Pararam.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Pararam.
Someone is jealous.
Yogo.
I don't believe that
That one is finish. Happy birthday to David. Pararam. The fish. Tuck in your hand. You're sucking your hand.
So,
Happy 3 months, David. Happy 3 months, David. Don't suck your hand.
birthday, baby.
Don't suck your hand, yeah?
Happy birthday, Tina. So, alright.
See ya.
Alright.
Two crying on our kitchen. Hey.
My face don't feel good.
Who said?
Because of life.
Kedu? Your mommy and ya? Daddy one. Ano ba yan, Popo?
She too short, she too tall, she too old. I agree, but I like her so. She go break in my heart, yo. Our love will no go walk, oh. Now you sabi, she be my choice. Leave am for me, leave am for me. Anyhow she be, now me the love am, now so I like her. Oh, leave am for me, leave am for me. Anyhow she be. Now me the love am, now so I like her. Oh, leave am for me, leave am for me. Anyhow she be. Now me the love am, now so I like her. Oh, leave am for me. Her head is too big, leave am. Her mouth is too wide, leave am. Her neck is too long, her leg is too short. Her nyash is no big, leave am for me. Her head is too big, leave am. Her mouth is too wide, leave am. Her leg is too long.
Say hi. Your steez, I will get now. Sorry. Yogo. 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 Nanti pakai nambah sih kok. Please.
Oh? Nggak punya. Good job.
Hello. Hi.
Live on for me, anyhow she be. Now me the love am, now so I like her. Oh, live on for me, live on.
Gini. Gini.
Her head is too big, leave am. Her mouth is too wide, leave am. Her neck is too long.
Hey guys. Good morning. How are you all doing? There's a beautiful morning here. Okay, and I'm just waking up. Yoga. Don't follow. So finally, Chris is ready to cut my hair. He's finally ready to cut my hair. Like I've been begging him for Hey, over a decade now, come and call this. So this one that God touched his heart to do. This one God touched his heart this early morning to come with her.
How are you?
Thank God, God touched your heart. I've been carrying this hair for over a decade now. I will not understand it. Anyway, guys, keep watching. Okay, let's get a new look. David is inside with Lucy and my sister here. He's among women. Blessed is David among women. Hey, wow.
Video if we edit finish, we put another song, another voice, we put another song. Now you suffer yourself.
Okay, keep watching.
On a live video.
It's not good.
It's a day live.
No?
The video. It shows that they charge this clip.
They don't charge it. Okay, you're the one that shaved it. They do not charge it. This is like that. No charging.
You go there, you see it.
Is this your hair or what?
Yes, no, it's my hair.
You added something to it?
No.
You dey try. You want turn on to do it?
No, not like that.
Reduce and small. So that when I'm pouring water on my hair, she's plotting waves, Sabi. While you curly hair. If I'm pouring water, let it be entering my spoon, so that I'll be able to add weight. How are you? So, I'm going to be a fine girl very soon. Who is in the garden? A little fine girl. Now this is just. Hey guys, hello beautiful people. How are you all doing? So you can see your girl is on low cut, looking beautiful. Fantabulous, Abby. Yeah. So right now you can see my hair, very fine, very fantabulous. At least now I can pour water on my hair. My head, not head. I can pour water on my head and then it will enter everywhere. So my brain will be very active now. I'll not be forgetting things easily now. So yeah, when you carry full hair, my man don't talk too much. Anyway, we're already in the kitchen. This is Lulu's kitchen. Lulu is preparing banga stew for us, okay? And then her banga stew tastes different, like it tastes sweet. More than those ones I used to go and buy at Coke at that time. If David did this one today, hey, David will be very, very active. Okay? So yeah. How do I look? Let me know in the comment section. Okay? I want one more. But after we go in. Lulu is always hiding. I don't know why. She's always hiding behind the camera. No, each time you bring camera to her face like this, she'll be shy. But she's a content creator.
Hey,
she's only free when she carry her own camera.
I can't go there.
So yeah, keep watching the Zara family, keep subscribing. God bless you guys. Okay, and I hope you have enjoyed this video so far. Yeah. So with you. I'm not carrying it. Okay, so I'll go and get the video of my mom. Better first before baby. Since me, I have bed, looking beautiful. Yeah, this is what you get when you have a new look. Okay, so yeah. Finally, I repaired Chidogo's tablet so that my phone will rest. Eh? Mama, take. Say hi. See, my dear have slimmed down. Chidogo is not feeling fine. Take. You trust it? Okay. Chidogo has slimmed down. She'll be fine. Alright. Keep watching. God bless you. Africa.
I'm not done.
Because we are those who
Hey, God. What did you cheer? Don't cry.
Okay. They said I should come and give David food. Let's go and give David food, okay? Meanwhile, see our banga stew. Banga stew is getting ready. This one is for the rice. And here is Chef Lulu.
You guys.
Chef Lulu in the kitchen.
They said I am shy. Do I look shy?
Yes, you look shy shish.
It's because I'm busy.
Oh, you're busy, man.
Come go to your business first. Hey.
Mama, say hi. Hi. She just had her bath now. Okay. So, son.
Right hand off her mouth.
Hey guys, hello beautiful people. So yeah, we are done. Okay, we are done, and David is sleeping now. My eyes is paining me. I need my glasses. David is sleeping. Yoga is eating, and I'm about to go and eat as well, so that when he wakes up, his offer will be ready. You understand? You know David loves offer. So yeah, I can't remember where I started this vlog, but I know how many days it took me to film this one. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. God bless you guys. Okay, let me know what you think in the comment section about my new hair. Okay. So yeah, let's try and be looking good sometimes, have you? So yeah, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing to the Zara family. Keep watching our videos. Keep loving the family. God bless you all. Okay. So yeah, see you in my next video. I think I'm expecting some people today. I don't know if they will still come. So yeah, I have to end this video. Let's see in our next video. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you and God bless you. We are disturbing. What is it? What happened? Give me here. Your knee? Sorry. It's okay. Complain. Oh, don't